Hello students, today we will start with exercise 6.1 integers. In our last class I had already explained you the concept of integers. Today we will start with exercise 6.1. So question number 1 I will read it out. Write the opposites of the following. The first one is A, increase in weight. Now opposite of increase will be decrease. So the answer for A will be decrease in weight. B, 30 kilometer north. So you have to write down the opposite of north. So 30 kilometer north will be south. So 30 kilometer south. Opposite of north is south. So rest of the questions you can solve by using the same logic. Now let us move to the next question number 2. Represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate signs. Sentences are given. According to the sentences we have to use the appropriate sign for it. So for question number 2, first one, an aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meter above the ground. Above the ground means above it is opposite. So it is plus 200 meter. So you have to put the sign of plus and you have to write down 2000 meter. Now let us see B. A submarine is moving at a depth 800 meter below the sea level. Below means it will come in the negative number. So below the sea level it is 800 meter. So the answer will be minus 800 meter. Rest of the questions you can perform using the same logic. Now question number 3. Represent the following numbers on a number line. So numbers are given, you have to represent or you have to plot these points on the number line. So the first one is plus 5. Now let us draw a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. You have to plot plus 5. So you will plot or you will mark plus 5 on the number line. Now B. B is minus 10. You will represent minus 10 on the number line. So minus 10 will be on the left side of 0. We don't want so many positive numbers, so we will write out only 2 numbers over here. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9 and minus 10. We have to plot minus 10. So we will plot minus 10 over here. Now let us see question number 4. Adjacent figure is a vertical number line representing integers. Now I have already drawn a number line over there, vertical line. Observe it and locate the following points. Now let us write down the first points. Here is 0. So here will be plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6 and plus 7. Same way here 0. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9 and minus 10. So I have written all the numbers along with their alphabets. Now let us see question number 4. According to the vertical line we will solve the questions. A. If point D is plus 8. If point D is plus 8 which can be seen on the board, then which point is minus 8? So here is minus 8. So which alphabet is over here? F. So answer will be F over here. B. Is G point is a negative integer or a positive integer? Now you can see G over here. In front of G the answer is minus 6. So minus 6 is a negative integer. So G is called as a negative integer. Now let us move to the next question number 5. Following is the list of temperatures of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. Places are given, the temperatures are given. First question is, write the temperatures of these places in the form of integers in the blank columns. So name of the different places are Siachen, second one is Shimla, third one is Ahmedabad, fourth one is Delhi, and the last one is Srinagar. Now for the temperature for Siachen is 10 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. Now below 0 degrees Celsius it is 10 degrees, so it will come in the form of negative integer. So answer will be minus 10 degree Celsius. For Shimla 2 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. So 2 degrees Celsius which is below 0. So again it will go in the form of negative integer. So answer is minus 2 degree Celsius. Ahmedabad 30 degrees Celsius above 0 degree. So it is above 0. So it will come in the form of plus 30 degree Celsius. Then Delhi. Delhi is 20 degrees Celsius above 0 degree Celsius. So Delhi will be also plus 20 degree Celsius. And the last one is Srinagar, which is 5 degrees Celsius below 0 degree Celsius. So below 0 degree will be minus 5 degree Celsius. Rest of the questions you can use your logic and perform. The question number 6. In each of the following pairs, which number is to the right of the other on the number line? A first number is given to you, 2 and 9. You have to find out which number is to the right side of the number line. Suppose if we draw a number line, here will be 0, here will be for 2 and here will be 9. So here is 9, here is 2. Among these two numbers, which one is on the right side? So we can say this is my right side. So this 9 will be on the right side of 9. So the answer is 9. Let us see B1. Minus 3 and minus 8. Now both are negative integers, so it will go to the left side. Minus 3 and minus 8. Here is minus 8 and here is minus 3. So on my right side it is minus 3, which is right side of the 8. So the answer is minus 3. Rest of the numbers you can perform so using the same logic. Now let us move to the next question number 7. Write all the integers between the given pairs. Write them in increasing order. Now the two pairs are given. Between these two pairs we have to write down the numbers and it should be in increasing order. The first one is 0 and minus 7. Now between 0 and minus 7, we know minus 7 is smaller than 0. So between minus 7 and 0 we will write down all the numbers in increasing order. So minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Now let us see B1. Minus 4 and 4. Now minus 4 is smaller than 4. So between minus 4 and 4 we will write down all the integers which are coming. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So this was about question number 7. Now let us move to the next question number 8. A. Write 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. Now we have to write down the integers which are greater than minus 20. So minus 20, minus 19, minus 18, minus 17 and minus 16. So this was about the negative integers which are greater than minus 20. Now let us see B question. Write 4 integers less than minus 12. So we have to write down the integers which are less than minus 10. So the answer will be minus 11, minus 12, minus 13 and minus 14. We have to write down only 4 integers. So which are there less than minus 10. Now let us see question number 9. For the following statements, write true or false. If the statement is false, correct the statement. So we will perform true and false. The first one is A. Minus 8 is to the right of minus 10 on a number line. If we see a number line, this is 0, here is minus 8 and here is minus 10. Now minus 8 is to the right of minus 10. Yes, it is on the right side. So the first statement is true. Now let us see the B1. Minus 100 is to the right of minus 50 on a number line. So let us see, here is 0, here will be 50 and here will be minus 100 if you marked on a number line. Minus 100 is to the right of minus 50 on a number line. Here is minus 50, here is minus 100. But minus 50, minus 100 is on the left side. So the answer will be false. Why? Because it is on the left side of minus 50. So answer the statement is false. Rest of the true and false you can perform using the same logic. Now let us move to the next question number 10. Draw a number line and answer the following. So you have to draw a number line and you have to write down the answer for it. The first one, which number we will reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2. Now let us draw a number line. 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Which number we will reach if we move 4 numbers of right of minus 2. This is minus 2 and we have to move right hand side and we have to jump 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will reach at 2. So the answer will be, we will reach at 2. Now let us see B1. Which number we will reach if we move 5 numbers to the left of 1. So again we will draw a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. It is asked that which number we will reach if we move 5 numbers to the left of 1. This is our 1 and we have to move towards left side and 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will reach at minus 4. So the answer will be minus 4. Now students, we will start with exercise 6.2. Question number 1. Using the number line, write the integer which is. The first one is 3 more than 5. 3 more than 5. Now you have to keep it in mind, if the word more is written, you have to go towards right hand side, and if the word less is written, you have to go towards left hand side of the number line. Now 3 more than 5, we will draw it on the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 3 more than 5. So where is 5? We will start with the 5 over here and we have to go 3 more steps. So on the right side. So we will jump 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. We will reach at 8. So the answer is 8. Now let us see the B1. 5 more than minus 5. Again the word is more, so we will go towards the right side. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. 5 more than minus 5. So we will start from minus 5 and we will go 5 steps towards the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will reach at 0. The answer will be 0. Now let us see question number 2. Use number line and add the following integers. Now again we have to use the number line. The first one is 9 plus minus 6. Now let us draw a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now plus 9. So it is plus 9. We have to go minus 6 steps towards left hand side. So we will start counting from 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will reach at 3. So the answer will be 3. Now let us see the B1. It is 5 plus minus 11. 5 plus minus 11. So let us draw it on the number line. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. Now 5. So it is positive 5 plus 5. So here it is plus 5. We have to go minus 11 steps towards the left hand side. So we will start counting from 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we will reach at minus 6. So the answer is minus 6. Now question number 3. Add without using a number line. Now we will add the numbers without using the number line. So the first one is 11 plus minus 7. Now let us see. Here is plus and here is minus. So according to the rule, if one number is positive and another number is negative, so we have to subtract and we will put the sign of a greater number. So if you subtract it, 11 minus 7, the answer will be 4. The answer will be 4. Here the sign is plus and 11 is greater. So the answer will be plus 4. Now let us see B1. Minus 13 plus 18. Minus 13 plus now let us see. Here is minus, here is plus. Both the number signs are opposite. That means you have to subtract. So minus 13 plus 18. If you subtract it, you will get 5 and you will put the sign of a greater number. So plus 5. Rest of the sums you can perform by using the same logic. Now let us move to the next question number 4. Find the sum of. You have to find out the sum of the following number. Let us see the first one. 137 and minus 354. So you have to add the numbers. Let us add the numbers. 137 plus minus 354. Now let us, here is plus, here is minus. So according to the rule, if one is positive and one is negative, again you have to subtract. So let us subtract 137 minus 354, or you can change, keep this number over this side, so it will become minus 354 plus 137. Now let us see. 44 minus 14 minus 7 is 7. Here will be 4. 4 minus 3 will be 1, and here will be 2. 2 minus 1 will be 1. Now let us start question number 4. Find the sum of. First one is A, 137 and minus 354. 137 and minus 354. So 137, you have to add the number minus 354. Now this number is positive and this number is negative. So according to the rule, if one number is positive and the second number is negative, you have to subtract. If you subtract, the answer will be 137 minus 354. Answer will be take place of 217, and the number is 354 is bigger and it has minus sign. So the sum will be, answer will be minus 217. Now let us see B. Minus 52 and 52. Minus 52 plus 52. Again one is minus, one is plus. So opposite sign, do the subtraction. If you do the subtraction, here is minus 52, here is plus. So according to the rule, if you subtract, the answer will be 0. Now let us see the question number 5. Find the sum. Minus 7 plus minus 9 plus 4 plus 16. Now here there are 4 integers. So we will make a pair. This 2 pair and this 2 pair. So minus, here is minus. Minus minus plus. So minus 7 plus 9 will be minus 16. You will put the sign of minus. Now 4 plus 16, that is 20. Now again here is minus, here is plus. Both the signs are opposite. So according to the rule, you will subtract. If you will subtract, the answer will be 4 and you will put the sign of a greater number. Here 20 is a greater number. It has a positive sign. So answer is plus 4. Now we will start with exercise 6.3, question number 1. Find 35 minus 20. Now you have to subtract 20 from 35. This is a positive integer and this is also a positive integer. Now for subtraction we are doing the additive inverse. So 35 we will keep as it is and 20. In front of 20 there is plus sign, positive sign. So additive inverse of plus 20 will become minus 20. If you subtract, 5 minus 0 is 5, 3 minus 2 is 1 and you will put the sign of plus because 35 is greater. So the answer is plus 15. Now let us see B1. 72 minus in bracket 90. Now 72 as it is, here is plus 90. We can say plus 90. So additive inverse of plus 90 will become minus 90. Here is plus, here is minus. So according to the rule, we have to subtract and put a sum of sign of larger number. So 72 minus 90 will be 18 and we will put a sign of minus. So this was about question number 1. Rest of the sums you can perform using your own logic. Now let us see question number 2. Question number 2 is filling the blanks with a greater or smaller or equal sign. Let us see the first one. Minus 3 plus minus 6. Minus 3 minus 6. Now let us perform this. We have to see which number is greater. So first we will perform the operation. Here is minus and you have to add the numbers. According to the rule, you have to add if it has both the sign same. So minus 3 minus 6 will be 9 and a sign of minus. Now here is minus 3, here is minus 6. So you will do the additive inverse of minus 6 because a subtraction is there. So minus 3 plus 6, it will be plus 3. Now among minus 9 and minus 3, which number is greater? So plus 3 is greater. So this will be the greater. Now let us see B1. Minus 21 minus 10 minus 31 plus minus 11. Now here again subtraction is there. So minus 21, this will become plus 10, because additive inverse of minus 10 is plus 10. So answer will be minus 11, because here is minus, here is plus. Opposite sign, subtract and put a sign of greater number. Here is minus, here is minus. According to the rule, both the signs are same, you have to add it. So minus 31 minus 11, it will become 42 and put a sign of minus. Now from minus 11 and minus 42, number minus 11 is greater. So this will be the answer. Now let us see question number 3, fill in the blanks. The first one is minus 8 plus dash it is equal to 0. Now here is minus 8 and here is 0. If you take the additive inverse of minus 8, then only you will get the answer 0. So the answer will be plus 8. Now B, 13 plus dash is equal to 0. Here plus 13 is there, here again 0. So additive inverse of plus 13 will be minus 13. If you perform plus minus minus and you are doing subtraction, the answer is 0. So this was about question number 3. Now let us see question number 4. Find first one, minus 7 minus 8 minus 25. Now let us take first this two pair and then we will perform with this. Here is minus minus, minus 7 minus minus plus, so the answer will be minus 15. Now here is minus, so this will become plus, so plus 25. Additive inverse of minus 25 will be plus 25. If you subtract, 5 minus 5 is 0. Answer is plus 10. Now let us see B1. Minus 13 plus 32 minus 8 minus 1. Now let us take this two pair and this two pair. Now here is minus, here is plus. So according to the sign we will subtract. So 32 minus 13. Let us see 32 minus 13. 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. 2 minus 1 is 1. So here is 19 and minus minus plus. So here again here will be minus, answer will be 9. 19 minus 9 is 10. So the answer is plus 10. So this way we have completed exercise 6.3. Rest of the sums you can solve it by using the same logic. Thank you.